Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 4 says, what percent of 141 is 47? So again, I'm going to write my equation. Here's the word is, that's going to be my equal sign. On the right side, I have the number 47. Then I'm going to look for the word of. That indicates that I'm going to be multiplying by what percent is going to be my variable, and the number 141. So x times 141 is just 141x, and that will equal 47. Now I'll divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 141, in order to get x by itself. 141 divided by 141 is 1x, and 47 divided by 141 is a repeating decimal of 0.3333. If I multiply that by 100, or I move the decimal 2 places, I find out that that's about 33%. And so what percent of 141 is 47? 33% of 141 is 47.